Hello everyone, today we're showing you a quick video about how you open the bonnet on your Mercedes C Class. Now this is a bit of a sort of a hidden feature because it's a little bit hidden away, the clip, but then for those of you that know cars very well, you probably know exactly where to look for this one, but for those of you that don't, I'm here to show you what it is really. So underneath the steering wheel, if you come out of your car, it'll probably be easy to access this way. If you look underneath where the wheels are and then look up into sort of towards the steering wheel again, you'll see a little red flap. It might be a different colour, but you see a little gap on the right hand side by the driver's accelerator. But above that, you've got a little tiny red flap. So if you pull that, you should hear like a click. You'll feel it pull on your fingers, but as soon as you feel it pull, you just pull it again and that will unclip it for you. So let's go and do that, shall we? So you probably heard that. So that's obviously popped the bonnet for me, and then underneath here, make sure to do this without the engine being on for too long. If you find underneath here, it's usually a bit more towards this way, so about this far back, you'll find a little tiny flap. So under there, you might be able to see it. I can't tell. A little tiny flap in there. If you put your fingers right along this little ridge here, you tuck them into there, then push them in, you should find that your finger locks underneath something. You pull that up and lift, and that opens the bonnet lid for you. Hope you enjoy that video, guys, and I'll see you on the next video. Here you go. You can see the where the sort of roughly it is. So maybe count a third of the way down from the boot badge, perhaps. Yeah, if that gives you a little idea.